friends! Welcome to Chikoo Land! Don't miss out on the fun. Please hit that subscribe button below. Hi, kids! Do you get scared when the sky goes boom? Today, let's learn what thunder and lightning really are. First, when clouds get heavy with water, they bump into each other in the sky. Just like rubbing a balloon on your hair makes it sticky, clouds rubbing make electricity.
That big flash in the sky is called lightning. Lightning travels super fast, much faster than sound.
That's why you see the flash first and hear the thunder later.
Thunder is just the air shaking really hard after lightning passes through it.
You can count the seconds between lightning and thunder to know how far the storm is.
Remember, kids, stay safe indoors during storms. Never stand under a tree. So now you know, lightning is the flash, thunder is the sound. Don't be scared, be smart.